In this video, we'll go over what the M520 command does on the SC512L. M520 moves the machine to a safe position commonly used before tool changes or other operations requiring additional clearance. When M520 is called, the machine first moves the X-axis back to its home position. Once X is clear, the Z-axis moves toward the tailstock side of the machine. The final Z position depends on whether the tailstock is enabled and whether its location has been updated. When the tailstock is disabled, M520 moves Z to a predetermined safe position. This position is based on the tailstock being moved to its unused location. When the tailstock is first enabled, the software does not automatically know its current location. Until the position is updated, M520 will continue using the predetermined position. To update it, press Find Tailstock. The Z-axis will move slowly toward the tailstock until the machine detects its location. Once this process is complete, the software stores the updated tailstock position. After the tailstock has been located, the next M520 command will first move X to its home position. Z will then move rapidly toward the updated tailstock position while maintaining the programmed clearance. If the tailstock is moved later, press Find Tailstock again before running the machine. Do not use M520 with the tailstock enabled unless its position has been updated. If the software has the wrong location, the Z-axis may move into the tailstock. This can remove support from the part, cause a motor error, or interrupt the program. Anytime the tailstock is moved, use Find Tailstock before running M520. M520 is the SC512L safe position command. It moves X home first, then moves Z to either the predetermined position or the updated tailstock position.
If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more setup guides, machining tips, and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into anything unexpected, send us an email at support@sinecorecnc.com and we'll be happy to help. You can also check the description for helpful links, related videos, and additional setup resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.